Welcome back to our channel. If you're here because you're struggling with the Govee light system, what do? Well, you're at the right place because I'm going to explain exactly what you need to figure it out. Give our channel a thumbs up on the way in and let's figure out this solution. But we're to the point where we're in the middle of a section, so we had to cut it. And my strippers, in case you don't have one of these, I didn't, so I had to order it off Amazon. 25 bucks at the time of filming this video on Amazon, so I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. Let's see how easy it is to install this. Okay, so this is where I cut the cord off. It started right here and went up this eave and down, and that's where I stopped it. And I'm going to put one end of this in here and put in an extension, run it up to that one. So I'm going to put one of these, the opposite end, on that end. And when you look at these, make sure you install the right one. See, it says input up there and the output here that sends the power on through, because you can see the lights aren't on there, but they are on right there. So just stick them in here. We want to have the wire, the outside insulation stripped off about 26 millimeters. So I pull that off, get rid of the insulation on the outside. So I'm going to measure this. Wow, it's exactly 26 millimeters. That's hard to believe. I just guessed. But anyhow, we want to take off the insulation off the individual wires back 12 millimeters to about right there. So just about half that distance. So we have that in there. We'll just go ahead and crimp that. Spread those apart. Twist these up like this. Kind of twist them. The wires are really fine. So now we have the splice or connector, whatever you want to call it. You want to take this cap off and then take this piece off. And first you want to insert this back here. You want to make sure that's on there. And then run those through there. Like that. And then we kind of messed up these wires a little bit here, so we'll straighten them out again. There we go. And here's this end. Make sure you line up, insert the correct color to the correct wire. So we have the orange, and see how this is. You pull this back like that, all three of them, and this is like a quick connect. You kind of line them up and you stick them in there like that. Stick them in, not the whole way. You want to make sure the insulation that's missing up next to it, there's a silver piece in there, goes up close to the silver piece down there, but not past it. Okay, and it seems like they're all tight. You want to double check because you don't want to find out later that it wasn't in right. And then go ahead and put this piece on. Twist this in nice and tight. See, that's a rubber gasket or a washer there. That's what's going to make that waterproof. And then slide this piece down inside of here. And slide this over and tighten this down as well. So this is what it looks like when you're finished. Now we'll go and connect the other side. I won't show in the video. I'm going to be coming out with a video of installing these Govee Pro 200-foot strip of lights. So if you're working through a project or you're thinking about buying the Govee lights, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out when that video comes. Well, I hope you seen this video as helpful, and I appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up on the way out if you didn't do that already. It helps the channel and it helps you and the algorithms. And until the next time, have a great day.